Hey guys, I'm here to show you today how to use the Clover Pom-Pom maker. I just got this and I tried it out and I think it's fabulous, and I want to demystify how to use this, as it's a cool looking gadget that opens up and you're like, how are you gonna make a pom-pom out of that? Alright guys, so let's get started. This one actually comes in two sizes, 2.5 and 3 3/8 of an inch size diameter for the pom-poms. The instructions are in the back, but I'm gonna take the liberty and show you how to make it. So as you see, I've already crocheted a hat and I'm gonna make a pom-pom for it. So what you do is you open up your pom-pom maker. You're gonna use the two sides like you see here, and the secret to making a nice pom-pom is you're going to wrap the yarn around till this here is flush. So here we go. Now you're going to need a nice pair of scissors for when you finish doing this. So I'm not going crazy putting it too tight. Now please bear with me. Trying to go as fast as possible so that way I don't have to stop the video and start over again, which is not too bad because then you see how fast you can actually put one of these together. Now try not to get any on the underside of the pom-pom maker. Like I said, I'm not doing this very tight. I'm just going natural. I've gotten into crocheting again after many years, since my mom and father had a really horrible accident and my mom had to have brain surgery. So because she had to have her hair shaved on her right side, and she had to go out from her rehabilitation place to go see doctors, I figured I'd make her a few beanies to keep her head warm. Alright guys, you can see here how fast I did this. What I've done is I've made this so it's flush with the bottom and fill that up. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this. Now you're going to close it up like that. And now we're going to come on the other side and we're going to do it again. Now these scissors that I have here, I don't know how good they're going to cut. I usually make these at home. Right now I'm actually doing it in my salon. I had some downtime. The light is nice and bright here. So I figured, okay, in between appointments, let me just do something. So here we go again. Just wrapping. Again, I'm not putting a lot of tension on here. Just regular. I'm pulling my yarn as I go so that way I'm not making it tighter than it's supposed to be. Don't forget these little corners over here. So getting back into crocheting, talking about it a little bit. My mom, growing up, she would crochet the most amazing creations with the little cotton, not with yarn, with the little cotton, I don't even know what crochet yarn, whatever you call it. And she always showed me, because she was always behind a little needle making something. So that's where I picked up crocheting as a little girl. Okay, now I'm tangled up here, so let me untangle this. All right. See, we're almost done here. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut again. I'm going to close this up. Now here's where I might get in trouble with my scissors, because these aren't usually my good scissors. I have a pair of good Gingers at home. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in between these little indents here. You're going to stick your scissor in here and you're going to cut across. Okay. Yeah, these scissors are not good. With a good pair of Gingers, you cut through this like a hot knife to butter. The beauty about this is that when you finish, you have a beautiful pom-pom that's even. Oops. So note to everybody, good pair of scissors. Alright, let me try another pair. These might not work at all, but I'm going to try. No. Those are my paper scissors, and these are my crafting. I do have different scissors for different projects. So the more you keep this in this well, I find that the more even this comes out here, and the less trimming you have to do when you're done. Alrighty. I'm just going to sheet right here and just clean up a little bit. This is just me. You don't have to do this. Alright, so that little bit is done. So now I'm going to get more of the yarn. I'm going to cut, let's see, maybe 12 inches of it. Or to make it easy for you so you don't have to be guessing, how about the width of the double width of your hat? This would be, I'll tell you exactly how much I made. You don't have to, but I'm going to avoid having to always pick up something to measure with. So what I have just cut here is 17 inches. 17 inches, which is 43 centimeters. So, where'd it go? I just lost it. Oh, here it fell down. Alright, so now what you're going to do is, you're going to take your yarn, you're going to go in this well, in the well right here, with a little divot, and I like to do triple, so you go around once, twice. It's twice, not triple. See that? Because when you pull this, it's a more secure knot. So you're going to pull hard, 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 hard. Remember, this has to pull all of this together and hold it. Now I'm going to come in and I'm gonna do just a regular knot, locking that in. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna open one side, and now you're gonna open up the other side. Okay, so I have my tails here like that. Now you're gonna grab the white side here and the white side here, and you're gonna pry it apart, and this is what you have. And then you just shake it out, and look at that, you have your pom-pom. So now I'm gonna move this over, and I'm gonna show you how I clean it up. You really don't have a lot of cleaning up to do, which is a good thing. It doesn't hurt that I'm a hairdresser, because I could visualize this and say, okay, I need a little here and a little there. Now if you were doing the normal wrap around your fingers or cardboard or something, you'd have a lot of trimming to do. But this Clover Pom-Pom maker, this is the large size. The large size pom-pom kit. But of these two that I'm working with here, this is the 2.5 inch. See, that's it. Now, just gonna shake it out. See how nice and full these are? I hope that the lighting in here is good enough for you to see. So now I'm going to take my needle. I'm going to thread both for right now, only because I don't want to waste our time here. So I'm going to thread this one. I'm going to thread this one, the two little tails we made. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing because I'm doing the video and I don't want to waste your time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the needle in one side, pull it through, come on the other side, pull it through. I'm going to pull the strings in, take off my needles. You can actually just do this with your crochet hook and just pull it through. Again, I'm doing it with the needles because I'm just rushing. So you're going to pull nice and tight. Give it 2 or 3 knots, only because if you put this through the washing machine, I don't want it to fall off. And we're going to trim off the extra. And here we go. We have our hat with our pom-pom. Well guys, I hope this has been fun, informative, demystifying on how to create your pom-pom. And you try it at home. Thank you. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Leave me questions and comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, as I have many different creative ideas on my channel. Thank you for watching.